Hey guys, so today I have a brand new tool that I just bought today, and this is a snap-on flex quarter inch ratcheting. And if you guys want to get it yourselves, here's the part number. It's THLLF72. It's right there, made in the US. It has a little diamond right there. So, and it looks like it measures, I have a measuring tool right here. Looks like it measures more than 12 inches. So for sure, it's like almost 12 inches, more than 12 inches. And this is a really great tool. It's for places where it's hard to reach, and it's a really good tool. So if you guys want to get yourself one, go ahead, try to add it to your collection, and go snap-on. And you guys get to see the logo right here on the snap-on, the USA. It has the on, the off, and it has all the things of you can and can't do. Basically, it says right here, it says do not immerse into fluids. It says replace worn parts. So yeah, that's the snap-on 12-inch flex head ratcheting quarter inch with a reverse and forward motion on the ratcheting. I'm basically gonna keep buying more snap-on tools. So yeah, keep on watching, keep checking out my tool collection. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.